Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you which Apple Pencil you should buy or which one you can buy for your iPad. Now, depending on your iPad model, you may need to use a different Apple Pencil because not every Apple Pencil is compatible with every iPad model. So let's get right into it. You can purchase Apple Pencil 1st generation if you use iPad mini from the 5th generation. You can use also Apple Pencil 1st generation if your iPad, the standard version iPad, is from the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th generation, and you can also use it for the 10th generation as well. However, you will need to use the adapter that converts USB-C to Apple Pencil, so that you can actually pair and charge the Apple Pencil 1st generation with your iPad 10th generation. If you have iPad Air 3rd generation, then you can also use it. If your iPad Pro has 12.9-inch display, which is the 1st and 2nd generation, or if you have iPad Pro 10.5 inches display or 9.7 inches display, then in that case Apple Pencil 1st generation will work. You can also use Apple Pencil 2nd generation if your iPad mini is from the 6th generation. If you have iPad Air from the 4th or 5th generation, it also should work. And if you have iPad Pro 12.9 inch from between 3rd and 6th generation, it should work. And if you have iPad Pro 11-inch display from the 1st to 4th generation, it should also be working just fine. Now we move to Apple Pencil USB-C, and if you have one of these iPad models, then of course you can use Apple Pencil USB-C, and these models include iPad Pro 13 and 11-inch display with M4. If you have iPad Pro 11-inch between 1st and 4th generation, it should also work, and the same goes with iPad Pro, which has 12.9-inch display between 3rd and 6th generation. If you have iPad Air, if you have M2 version with 11 or 13-inch display, the Apple Pencil USB-C will work just fine, and the same goes with iPad Air from the 4th or 5th generation. For the standard iPads, you need to use iPad 10th generation, so the USB-C pencil is compatible only with iPad 10th generation. And if you have iPad mini, you need to make sure that your iPad mini is from the 6th generation, or it is the A17 Pro, which is the 7th generation from 2024. And then we have Apple Pencil Pro, which is compatible so far with only the most recent iPads, at least as of the day of recording this video, of course. And these iPads are iPad Pro with M4 that have 11 and 13-inch display, iPad Air with once again 11 or 13-inch display, and these are M2s, and also the iPad mini A17 Pro, which is the 7th generation. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!